VIETEK Barrier 365 Crash Wrap is a premium 3mm yellow polyethylene film with UV inhibitors incorporated into the film. Each roll of Barrier 365 is 30 inches wide by 200 feet long on a 3-inch core. VIETEK Barrier 365 is ideal for use in Sunbelt markets. The color yellow is a natural UV blocker. Our unique yellow film, combined with traditional UV inhibitors, prolongs adhesive performance when subjected to extended sun exposure. The added benefit of UV film is the protection of the vehicle interior. VIETEK Barrier 365 is approved for 365 days of direct exposure to sunlight. For users that experience cold winters, it's important to note that warm film will stick to a cold vehicle, while cold film will not stick to anything. VIETEK Barrier 365 should be applied to a clean, dry surface. Use VIETEK Glassy and a clean towel for best results. It is important to inspect the vehicle for surface paint quality before applying Barrier 365. Barrier 365 may pull loose or poor quality paint off the vehicle when removed. When in doubt, use masking tape to test a small area before installing Barrier 365 film. When applying Barrier 365 film, make sure that all edges are properly adhered. Extended exposure to wind will cause loose material to fail. Rain may become trapped beneath loose material. Barrier 365 will stick to a wet surface, but it is not recommended. Sunlight may cause trapped water to damage the paint surface. Resulting damage is similar to damage caused by baking a vehicle with water trapped under masking plastic. Whenever possible, install Barrier 365 film so that doors can be opened without disturbing the film. When protecting a sunroof opening, always use cardboard over the opening before installing film. Using cardboard will prevent the possibility of rain collecting in the opening and creating a magnifying glass effect that can cause damage to the interior. Finally, in the unlikely event there has been some adhesive transfer, use VIETEK Glassy to easily remove any residue. Value, innovation, execution, technology. That's VIETEK.